A lien affects the marketability, but not the transferability of a real estate. A property can be transferred subject to an existing lien. However, its marketability will be impaired unless the transferor discharges the lien, make it a price concession, or adds incentive to the term of the sale. A state income tax lien takes priority over other encumbrances on a taxpayer property based on the date on which it is filed or recorded. Like a federal tax lien, a state income tax lien is a general statutory involuntary lien on all real and personal property held by the delinquent taxpayer. Its priority, however, is based on the date of filing or recording. It does not supersede previously recorded liens. The statutory redemption period in Georgia is very short because it only requires an advertisement being placed in the local papers carrying legal notices for weeks. Georgia does not allow statutory redemption. A lease pending is issued to the prevailing party in a lawsuit so he or she can execute against the unsuccessful party asset. That statement is forced. When any suit is filed that affect a title to real estate, a special notice known as lease pending, which in Latin for the litigation pending, is recorded. A lease pending is not itself a lien, but rather a notice of a possible future lien. Recording a lease pending notify prospective purchaser and lenders that there is a potential claim against the property. In Georgia, the property tax assessment process focuses on the fair market value of the property, which is then reduced by 60% and to get assessed value. A mechanic lien takes precedence over all other encumbrances. This statement is forced. Real estate taxes and a special assessment generally take priority over all other liens, regardless of the order in which the liens are recorded. This means that outstanding real estate taxes and a special assessment are paid from the proceeds of court order sale first. For example, mechanic liens for performing labor or furnishing material in improvement real estate, would never take priority over tax and a special assessment lien. Jane, a flooring contractor, enters an oral contract with the general contractor building Mark's house to provide laminate floor on the first floor. She may be able to file a mechanic lien against the property if the general contractor fails to pay her. The statement is true. To be entitled to a mechanic lien, the person who did the work must have had a contract. It could be express or implied with the owner or the owner's authorized representative, such as a general contractor. A federal income tax lien takes priority over all encumbrances on taxpayer property based on the date on which the file was recorded. Before a tax sale, the owner may exercise a statutory right of redemption. After the tax sale, he or she may have an equitable right of redemption, which is subject to court approval. But that statement is false. The equitable right of the redemption apply in the period prior to the sale. Some states also allow the former owner to exercise his statutory right of redemption for a limited time following the tax sale. In such a case, the defaulted owner or the defaulted owner's creditor may redeem the property by paying the amount collected at the tax sale plus interest and charge, including any tax levied since the sale. In Georgia, which legal document pledges the property as collateral for the lenders to relieve a return of funds at a foreclosure? The answer is a security deed. In Georgia, the security deed is a legal document that pledges the property as collateral for lenders to receive a return of funds as a foreclosure sale. Which of the following is a specific involuntary statutory lien? The answer is real estate tax lien. While all of these are involuntary liens, income and estate tax lien are, well as judgment lien, are general lien enforceable against all of the debtor's asset. Which of the following taxes would target homeowners in particular? The answer is real estate tax. There are two types of real estate taxes: general real estate taxes, which are also called ad valorem taxes, and special assessment or improvement taxes. Both are levied against specific parcel of property and automatically becomes a lien on those properties. Which of the following lien usually would be given highest priority in disbursing fund from a foreclosure sale? The answer is real estate tax due. Real estate taxes and a special assessment generally takes priority over all the other liens, regardless of the order in which the lien are recorded. What type of encumbrance is generally required to be removed prior to transfer of the property? The lien. Lien differ from other encumbrances because they are financial or monetary in nature and attached to the property because of a debt. Most buyers want lien removed prior to the transfer of the property. The feasible fees limit certain uses, but these fee state may be transferred indefinitely without financial impact.